Mhm.
Come on. Okay. All right. So I am going to show you how to make an unlimited, well, not quite unlimited, but plenty of items for kids to drag and drop. So I want the kids to finish our lesson by making their own pattern. So say I want to go with the car, for the truck, and then the car, and then the truck, and the car. And you see every time I click and drag, it still leaves one left.
That's nice.
So that would be really, really cool with money, right? So
Mhm.
how you do this is you take your image. I'm going to put it over here in the margin here, so I have room. You don't want to do this on top of other things because then you select a bunch of things and it's a pain in the butt. You want to put it where you have a lot of room, and then you are just going to copy and paste it. So I do Control C and then Control V a whole bunch of times.
Wow.
Okay. Now we have a whole line of trucks. I'm going to select all of the trucks, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to center them on the page. No, I'm going to distribute, no, I'm going to align them horizontally. See, I'm learning too. Align them horizontally in the center, and that puts them all up and down. And then I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to align them vertically in the middle, and that puts them all on top of each other. And so now when you drag and drop, there is plenty left in the stack. Figure out how to stop recording again.